Got the DoubleTree. Ooh, Otis. Nice. This is at the DoubleTree in Niagara Falls. This building looks pretty tall. Ooh, Series 1. 19? Maybe at the lobby. Oh, wait. Are we on 2? Uh-oh. Oh, these are quick. Oh, let's get a view real quick. Very quickly. There is downtown Niagara Falls, and look, there's the Marriott. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh dear, we missed it. Well, in that case, we'll look around at the view. Just kidding. Here's this one. Oh, hello. Here, come down with me. I will. They're probably the same. I think this place is pretty new. I think G is where we were. These are cool. They're quick. These are nice. Worth the stop, I'd say. Oh, that was new. That was a Gen 2. Huh. That was completely new. Interesting. Oh. That is weird. Okay, look. It is new. Look. It's a different door frame. See, look. That is bizarre. Anyway, that's it.